Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, the 19th of March. It is about 8:20, and I figured I'd vlog today because it's just been a while since I've put out any type of video. I'm gonna try and film another video today, like a sit-down video, but I'm really just trying to figure out if I'm gonna have time and then what sort of video I can film. I was supposed to wake up at 7. I set my alarm and it went off at 7, but I think I might have turned it off instead of hitting snooze. So yeah, I was supposed to be at my chiropractor's office at 8. At 8:06 I woke up and I called them right away and they said I could come in at 9. So yeah, that's what I have to do today, and then I gotta go to the gym after because it's just been a while. And then I have class at 1, but I have to get there early because I'm meeting with my instructor to go over a paper. And I'm there till approximately 4 o'clock. Who knows, I might be out earlier. And then I have work at 8, so it's not very interesting, but I'm going to just bring you guys along. So I just left my chiropractor's office maybe 5 minutes ago, and I'm almost at the gym since they're pretty close to each other. I'm excited though because I was just gonna work out on my own, and then I contemplated maybe going to kickboxing because I hadn't gone in a while, but their next class is until noon, so that kind of really wouldn't work with my schedule since I have to meet at 12:30 with my instructor. So I figured gym it is, but my friend Katie texted me and she asked me if I was coming to the gym, and I'm like, yeah, I'm actually gonna go in a few minutes because, you know, I gotta get the gym out the way, otherwise it's not gonna happen today. And I have to get a workout in. Like I told you guys, it's been a while. So she goes, oh cool, I'm already here, if you don't mind, do you want to work out together, but I'll need a ride, because she went with her boyfriend, but her boyfriend's gonna be leaving in a bit. I don't know what he has to do, but yeah, it worked out, so pretty excited. I don't even know what I want to work out today, so I guess I'll see what she feels like working out. She might have something planned already. But yeah, we'll be at the gym pretty soon.
Give no fucks. I'm literally about to eat like this.
Hey you guys, so I figured I would check in with you guys really quick. It is 12:28. I'm about to be at school, and I should make it right on time to my appointment to meet with my instructor. Busy morning, that's for sure. I stopped at Mariano's and picked up a few things because I was going to make a crock pot recipe. Whoops, weird angle. I was gonna make a crock pot recipe, but by the time I got home, I was super hungry and I had to scarf my food down in 5 minutes, which is not good for you, but I have class till about 4, so I'd be starving if I didn't eat. Plus I had a very light breakfast. I only had toast and some coffee. So yeah, I needed to eat something. But anyways, I wanted to throw everything into the crock pot before I left and I didn't have time. But luckily, I can just cook cook it regularly over the stove when I get home. But it just would have been so much more convenient for it to be like doing its own thing in the crock pot, and then I can get something else done instead of, but it's probably gonna take me like maybe a half hour or so. I don't know. But yeah, I'm about to be at school, but I just wanted to go ahead and fill you guys in real quick. I will probably show you guys what I picked up and like maybe like show you guys as I'm cooking the soup. Excuse the noise, my nieces are here. But in here I just added a little bit of olive oil, I'd say like about a teaspoon, and then I added 1 whole red onion, 2 bell peppers. As you can see, there's a green one and a red one, and then I added 4 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna go ahead and saute this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so that is pretty much ready. It was over medium heat, I forgot to tell you guys that. I'm just going to be adding chicken breasts in. It is 1 pound, and I went ahead and washed them. And then to that I'm gonna add 8 cups of chicken broth. And if anyone is curious, this is just the chicken broth that I used. So then to that, I'm just adding a can of drained black beans. And that was a 15-ounce can. And then you're gonna wanna add a can of the fire roasted diced tomatoes. And this one is also 15 ounces. So I'm also adding in a half cup of rice, and then because I'm adding rice, which is optional, if you want to keep this more low carb you don't have to add the rice, I'm putting in 2 cups of water. And then I'm adding in just one of these McCormick fajita packets. Just add that in there. It's kind of tricky to do this with one hand. I'm also adding in a teaspoon of chili powder, and I'm also adding in a teaspoon of ground cumin. These last 2 teaspoons of spices are completely optional. What's wrong, Aaliyah? Aaliyah? Excuse me, I'm talking to you. Aaliyah?
The noise.
Grandma's leaving. Yoo-hoo. Say hi, Olivia.
Take a picture, Leah.
We're gonna be on YouTube. It's not a picture, it's a video. Do you wanna go have your dance party?
Let's go.
Let's go. My room is a mess, but we're having a dance party. Yes, girl, get it. With our Wii. Do you guys remember this game? Okay, so my soup is done. I went ahead and took the chicken breast out and just shredded it up so that the chicken's like dispersed. Is that the right word? Distributed evenly? But yeah, this is what it looks like. Once I had mixed everything in, I let it boil first, and then I lowered the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, and then I just took the chicken out. Like I said, I shredded it up and then threw it back in here, and yep, it's all ready. So I know I told you guys I was gonna share what I got at Mariano's, but most of it is in the pot because I needed it to make my recipe. But I did get some ice cream, some Halo Tops, so if you guys want to see that, welcome to my fridge. I got this rainbow swirl. I've never tried this one, but I feel like it's like a sherbet. and I love sherbet ice cream. Got that one. I also got Mochi green tea. Never tried this one, but I've had like green tea ice cream before, and it's pretty good. And then the last one that I got was pistachio. I love pistachio ice cream. I actually have some pistachio ice cream right here by Talenti, but this one of course is not super friendly. There's 4 servings. 1 serving is a half cup, and there's 210 calories in a half cup. So minus times 4, that is 840 calories for this entire thing, versus this one for 240. So yeah, I'm gonna try those out. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I figured I would share with you guys.
Mommy, where's that bag?
That's the brush for the dogs.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna share with you guys like my skincare routine when I'm out the shower, and I like to just use this Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray as like a toner. You want some?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Ooh, so nice. You want some?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Ooh, so nice. Okay, and then for the eye cream, I will have to link it down below because it's just a little sample that I got when I was part of the Sephora Playbox. But I mean, any eye cream, you know, put your eye cream on. And then the face serum that I'm using right now is by Neutrogena. It's their Hydro Boost. It's a serum.
It's a
Serum.
serum.
Yeah, so I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum. It smells really good. It smells to me like cherries. Does it smell good?
Then what that like it? I like you like that like that. Don't put stop pink. It's Laura.
Who's Laura? That's me.
It's you.
Sorry guys, but
What's your name?
can't help it. They're over.
What's your name?
And then for my like moisturizer, I use the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue. Looks like this. It's almost empty. And if my skin's really dry, I actually go ahead and add a few drops of this Physicians Formula Argan Oil onto my face, just like 3. And then I put my face moisturizer on and like mix it together. But it doesn't feel too dry right now.
Hey guys! Sorry, you guys. Mommy! Tea. Go up.
And lastly, I moisturize my lips just using my Burt's Bees. Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm.
Lip balm.
Yes.
I see the bees. Mommy. Oh yeah, I do see that.
So yeah, that's all I do. And like I said, I don't know if I said, I just got out the shower. So I'm literally just wearing a t-shirt and some pajamas because, as you guys know, I'm going into work tonight at 8 and I stay overnight until 8 p.m. the following day. So I like to just wear my pajamas there. That way I don't have to bring as much stuff with me and I just bring my clothes for tomorrow. But yeah, I'm hoping to film a video, but it's just so hard with my nieces here. I mean, you guys see, they're really loud. I mean, they're little kids. They don't understand. So I'm going to try. But otherwise, I promise you I will have more videos up, like more consistently. But yeah, I think I'm going to go play with them and I'm going to have some soup.
Hi. Do you know one nothing? No. And looks like you funny. Look at Wally. Look at Wally.
Oli. Hey, what's your name?
Ollie.
It's Olivia.
I'm Olivia. I'm Ollie.
What's your name?
Me.
Aaliyah.
Aaliyah. Now me. Baby Aaliyah. Me.
You guys want to be in the vlog?
I'll be yeah. Have nice friends. Me. Go my me.
You guys are little brats. Titi Maya's gonna go eat, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I want Mimi.
So right now I'm about to try my Mochi green tea halo top. Let's do a little taste test. It's pretty good. I don't know if I'd repurchase it. It's not like my favorite. I feel like it tastes like lotion. That's like a really weird description, but I don't know, that's how I would describe it. Yeah, it tastes like lotion. I don't know. If you guys have ever tried this, like, I don't know, do you agree it tastes like lotion? I don't know how else really to describe this. So that's what we're going with. It's not too bad though, but I'll probably finish it, but I don't know if I'd recommend. My favorite Halo Top flavor so far, I think would have to be, I think it's like sea salted caramel or salted caramel. Sea salted caramel. Pretty sure that's it. The other one that's really good is their cookie dough. Is it chocolate cookie dough? Chocolate chip cookie dough? Whatever. Those two are really good. But anyways, I'm not gonna be talking about ice cream. I am about to watch a little bit of Netflix because my niece has left and it's like 6:27. I have to be leaving in like a little over an hour for work, so I'm not gonna have time to film another video, so I apologize. But my eyebrows need to get tweezed, if you guys can see all this. So I'm going to tweeze my eyebrows and watch some Netflix. I think I said that. But I just really quickly wanted to show you guys something. I don't know how well it's picking up. It kind of just looks like little patches, but you could see it really good right here. And I also have it like over here. I'm pretty sure it's eczema based on like my research. You know, we always gotta self-diagnose. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. At first I just thought it was like a dry patch because it just feels like that, but it's not going away, and if anything it's like spreading. I didn't have it over here before, so I don't know. Basically what I'm trying to ask you guys is if any of you have eczema, or if you know someone with eczema, like how do they get rid of it? Because I know a lot of times you go to the doctor and they'll prescribe you like an ointment of some sort, and I've heard they're not very helpful and they have like a lot of side effects. So I'm trying to go like a natural remedy, and I know people have also said like they have to like change their diet, like get rid of dairy and stuff, but I have never had this issue, and I know our bodies can sometimes change over time, so it could just be that, but I wouldn't even know like what to change in my diet. Like going dairy free would probably not be that hard, to be honest, but I don't want to try that right away because I feel like I may be able to get rid of it using a different approach. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I think it is. Like I literally think it's eczema. I'm not sure. I haven't seen my doctor. I should probably do that. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and tweeze my eyebrows. I don't want to ramble on too much, and then I think after that I'm going to wash my makeup brushes, and I'm sure by then I'll have to go to work. So yeah, I will meet you guys when we are washing the brushes.